Have you ever wondered what would happen if you invested $250 in the stock market? Today, we're going to explore just that, shedding light on what you could realistically expect from such an investment. To understand this, it's important to know that investing in the stock market essentially means buying shares in a company and potentially reaping profits as that company grows and succeeds. But what does a $250 investment really look like? Let's dive deeper. So you got your $250 and you're ready to dive into the world of stocks. But where do you start? First off, let's get to grips with some basics. The stock market is a place where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. Investing in the stock market means buying these shares with the expectation that they will increase in value over time. Two key concepts to remember here are diversification and risk tolerance. Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across a variety of stocks to reduce risk, while risk tolerance is about understanding how much market fluctuation you can comfortably handle. Now, how might one invest $250? Today, it's simpler than ever, thanks to online brokerage accounts. These platforms allow you to buy and sell stocks right from your computer or smartphone. You can start by opening an account, depositing your money, and then purchasing shares of companies that align with your financial goals. Let's talk about potential returns. While the stock market has the potential for high returns, it's important to remember that it's not a guaranteed or instant moneymaker. The value of your investment can fluctuate, and sometimes you might even lose money. With that said, don't let the potential risk deter you. Investing is a journey, and every journey starts with a single step. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about what you can realistically expect from your $250 investment. The stock market, my friends, is not a lottery. It's a platform for investing, which requires knowledge, strategy, and most importantly, patience. It's essential to keep your expectations grounded in reality. It's true, some stocks have turned modest investments into fortunes, but these are exceptions, not the rule. More often, stocks provide moderate returns over the long term. And let's not forget, it's also possible to lose money. That's why it's crucial to diversify your portfolio to spread the risk. Investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a long-term game. The most successful investors are those who have the patience to let their investments grow. Imagine planting a seed. It doesn't become a tree overnight. It needs time, sunshine, and water. Similarly, your investments need time, strategic decisions, and a little bit of luck to grow. So when you invest your $250, don't expect to wake up a millionaire the next day. Expect to see your money grow gradually, and sometimes you might even see it shrink. But remember, investing is about the journey, not the destination. Remember, the goal of investing is not to get rich quick, but to grow your wealth steadily over time. So there you have it. That's the truth about what you can expect when you invest $250 in the stock market. Remember, this is a journey of learning and patience. The keys to success are understanding the basics, setting realistic expectations, and staying patient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more stock market strategies. Remember, every investor starts somewhere. And today, that somewhere could be with $250. Happy investing.